insurance leaders are concentrating on four main points. One is that how to increase revenue and profit. And definitely that's what is sort of understandable. 46% of them. 39% is looking at increasing, very interestingly, customer data security and management, very much in line with what we're talking today. And the third ranking aspect is that how one can enhance fraud detection and capabilities. Another 36% is talking about that. And what would you have normally thought that increasing operational efficiency would be one of the top ones? Actually, it is seen as the fourth ranking focus for the insurers. Given that, insurers are looking the best way of getting this revenue, operational efficiency, and around data security and capabilities. And AI is coming as an important theme, how to resolve it. And our study is showing around 85% of organizations have adopted generative AI in some form or shape. And quite interestingly, and we may talk about it a bit later around that, around 1/3, 32% of them have generative AI implementation that is using one or more domain-specific models. I think that's quite interesting as opposed to generic models. And then when we talk about agentic AI, the research is showing it is still a medium term in terms of adoption, and we are expecting significant business benefits coming to 2 to 5 years.
Certainly looking to do both the operational efficiency things and the things where we think it's going to improve, our revenue or our profit. And so we're doing work across all of those work streams because, even if you think of the employee, right? The employee experience is so important, and the operational efficiency does get you gains on the expense side, but it also really frees up your employees to focus on decision making, whatever that is. And so there are several ways you benefit from it in any aspect that you're focusing on.
Their insurance clients are using generative AI, and they tend to span things that are happening on the revenue side and the top line, as well as things that are focusing on efficiency. It almost seems like there's a moment where we're shifting from, okay, I was using it for productivity enhancement, like Kristen talked about, making people better at what they do. But there also seems to be now this moment of saying, I think there's now a very big focus on workflow and potentially having not fully autonomous agents, but partially autonomous or bounded autonomy as a concept for agents, and use that within the workflows to try and reimagine them. So the initial stages yet, but what we are seeing is a lot of interest right now and a lot of questions about, is this something that I can adopt within my enterprise? And how can I kind of make that impact bigger than what I've realized so far from AI? So we feel that it's very exciting times, because what we anticipate is that the adoption level for AI within the enterprise, particularly within insurers, is going to go through a pretty high, steep curve.